Today I'm going to talk about files and filing. This is a rather long file. It's one I use a lot. It is a Swiss cut number 2. I have students sometimes that are very confused about how to hold a file and which direction to file in. If you will think of this as the handle, because it is actually what would go into a handle, hold it in your hand this way, however it is comfortable for you. Then you know you have pointed your file in the right direction. So as you file forward, then you know your teeth are cutting in the right direction. When filing, use long, steady strokes. Use your bench pen to steady yourself. It is much more productive to use this as a stop and to give you hard, solid support rather than attempting to air file. It may seem awkward at first, but once you practice, it will become much better. Sharp corners are the most difficult to file. The file wants to catch on that sharp corner, but after a few strokes, it'll be nice and round. And that's a little tutorial on filing.